today we are headed to
Omish.
Omish. What's the special occasion today?
It's Daddy's birthday.
Happy birthday!
And I'm telling you how old he is.
Not allowed.
So we just purchased bus tickets.
Nope, it doesn't
Nope,
say
that's not it.
Omish on it.
Hopefully we did it right. Hopefully we end up in the right place. We'll see.
They didn't tell us which bus to get on, and apparently that was the wrong one.
We just got on one that said Omiš, and the bus driver was speaking Croatian. Got very frustrated
Opened
with
the gate
me.
and said, "Get out."
He basically started rolling the bus away and almost didn't let me off. This bus says split to Omiš. I think this is it. Thank you, Vala.
I guess that was hers.
Well, we didn't make it.
I'm sorry. I get car sick easily, but I didn't anticipate that. I mean, we've ridden metros, but it was like, there was no AC. Felt like the heater was on. So it literally felt like I was gonna throw up multiple times. So I don't know how far away we are.
I think
Kind
about
of like stranded.
we're almost 2 hours walk, so
How can it be 2 hours? Feels nice now though.
we're gonna walk at least some of the way. Says it's an hour. We'll figure it out. Had to take a brief drone break because it was too beautiful not to stop. Just sort of a sidewalk. We're getting along pretty well.
So we've made it almost to Omiš. I think we're on the outskirts of Omiš. It's been quite an adventure. Hopefully we can redeem Daddy's birthday.
I guess we're not gonna walk up to the fortress, huh?
Oh, I'm sorry, babe.
It's okay.
Mommy ruined your
You're
birthday.
the one who got off the bus and now we can't do it.
Think I'm gonna throw it.
There was only 7 minutes left in the bus.
So we just stopped for lunch. It's a place called Ketchup. What'd you get?
Breaded chicken stuffed with cheese with fries.
You have Coke for your birthday, babe.
There's Coke everywhere here. Everywhere.
And I got a shrimp protein.
So we made it all the way to Omiš. It's really beautiful. Almost like a mini Tregear, maybe?
But with
But with crazy mountains, cliffs. Yeah, we're trying to figure out how to hike up to the top there. What's the sign right there? Let's see. We may have bribed the kids with more ice cream. Only because we've already walked for like over an hour today. Unexpectedly.
the medieval lord of Omiš lives here.
The Duke.
Yes. 13th century Romanesque tower.
Let's see.
Up the steps to the fortress.
We
We have a follower.
Fred the cat, newly minted.
His tail.
We've almost made it to the top. It's not too bad, it's just some stairs, some old stairs.
Say hi to Fred.
Joel's found a cat friend.
He's followed us all the way
And
up here.
he loves to dance. Okay, ready? Ready for him to dance?
Dance, dance. He's dancing with his front paws.
This is called Mirabella, I think. Get some better views once we get up top.
He fed up his.
Top of the tower. I was the only one that ventured up because heights.
It's scarier and higher than I thought. I think we're almost there though. This turned out to be a beautiful day after all. So beautiful. We just need to find you some dessert now.
Me?
Yeah.
You need to find me some dessert.